Hello everyone, here welcome back. I hope you are doing super great. In today's video I will share with you how I make these beans with salt palm oil. So in my house no one loves to eat beans. You can imagine that whenever I cook beans with palm oil, I'm the only one eating it all. So I have to look for a way to make them eat beans, so which is this recipe I'm about to show you. So if you like to know how I made this, please keep watching. In here I'm using black eyed beans. You can use any beans of your choice, it will still come out great. Then I pour them into the pot. And I will add water to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is very important because if you are that type of person that suffer for heartburn, bloating, or the gaseness after eating beans, so it's very important to drill out this first water. And note, you will not only just drill out the water, you will also raise the beans. Yeah, you will raise it with another fresh cold water. Right now we'll transfer the beans into the pot again, then add in more water, follow with chopped onion, and I will cover it to cook for 55 minutes to 1 hour. And with the onions, it will help the beans to cook on time. So the aromas that is coming out for this beans because of the onions not be here. So in here I've got some onions, some fresh tomato, red bell pepper, sweet bell pepper, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Now we have to blend it off camera. So right now the beans is done. So let's take a look. So you can ask that question like, how will I know if this beans is done? How am I going to know? So as for me, I like my beans to be very soft. Do you know soft? Very soft. So after that, I will add vegetable oil to the pot, follow with some chopped onion. And after that, I will add in the minced pepper, which I roughly blend. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, you are very welcome. My name is Rebecca. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also turn on bell notifications so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my other subscribers, to all my viewers, thank you so much for your time and support. I love and appreciate you guys a lot. Next, I'll be adding crushed seasoning cube, salt, blended crayfish, and some dried mackerel fish. So you can see how I scatter this mackerel fish inside. That will make them to eat these beans. So so next I'll just go ahead to add the beans. It's just like a stir fry. Yeah, so I love it. So with these beans, the way I prepare these beans, they really enjoyed it. They even asked for more, and I was very happy. Ever since I've been making my beans like this, and my family enjoyed it. So you can make this too. I want you to make this also for your family, and they are going to love it. And I'm going to eat mine with some fried plantain, which is known as idodo or dodo. Yeah, dodo. I know you guys will be asking, why is it that Nigerians always like to eat their beans, whatsoever they eat everything with fried plantain, which is dodo? Yeah, we love it though. It's very delicious. You can also eat yours with some bread, yam, pair it with jollof rice, white rice, so whatsoever you wish to eat with the beans. But as for the plantain, it's very delicious with it, but it's the best. And if you have watched this video to this point, thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and share my video with your family and friends, and I will be very happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now, and stay blessed.